When I started this practice, it actually started at an artist residency. There I was really diving into my own personal sense of belonging or lack of belonging in communities in North Carolina and in the South as a queer person and within my own family, and kind of struggling with that, and then posing these bigger questions to the public as they came into the open studio. So I did a performance and interactive piece called The Declaration Project. But now it's less about my own personal journey and more about issues that other people are dealing with and their lived experiences, and building relationships with people that are different from myself and amplifying their voices and getting them to collaborate, or asking them, inviting them in to collaborate with me on new projects that prompt other people to think about and expand their awareness of what they know about things that are different from their lives. For the fall, basically what I proposed was to bring the Bureau of Personal Belonging, which is the title for all of my performance works that I've developed over the past 15 to 20 years. So I'm going to kind of curate a collection of those to bring, and then also developing a new work to have in the Bureau too. So people will show up and then go through the Bureau and can go from off department or division, depending on the title of each performance, and then interact around a certain theme, whether it's immigration or LGBTQ rights or what the federal employees are experiencing right now, the layoffs, or, there's so many different things to be pulling from. And also, the really important part is having people perform in the work. So building these relationships with people and really doing some deep listening with them and having these conversations lead to people with different lived experiences coming together to perform the pieces that are reflecting what they're grappling with in their lives. So that's a really important component of this trajectory of my work at the University of Michigan. I just want to invite people to come in and be part of the work in many different ways, whether that's be a performer or be a participant or just come and observe. And I will say that yes, it's great to come during performances. It's also totally fine to come when it's not activated with performers, because it gives you an opportunity to you can still fill out paperwork as part of the performances, even if they're not activated. It won't be the same experience, but you'll get to walk around and look at the installation in a way that other people cannot when you're in a performance, right? When your nervous system is activated, right? So I think it's very interesting to come back and experience the installation as well as come during performances. So, and some people are just more comfortable doing that, and that's totally fine. So I invite them and invite you and all of the people to come in any way that they want to and experience the work, so.